Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Marine Traffic application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, look for the settings button and click on that. And then click on the map options button. And if you scroll down a bit at the theme section, as you can see, there are three options. So you can set the theme to bright, dark, or if you go back, you can also set it to auto mode, which will have the bright mode in day and then the dark mode at night. So just set the one that you want to use, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.